don't know what else is coming to my this house.